and just be like,
my pants are ripped. I am no longer Senor Squeed. I am Senor Squan. Gang. Oh my gosh, this is worlds better. Let me put this hoe in neutral. Oh yeah! Welcome to Poe Boys. I am Poe on a motorcycle. This is Poe Vlogs. This is Cole. Clutch Cole TV is his YouTube channel if you want to see his stuff. That's Betty, that's his Bandit 1200. I'm on Poe Bike. Poe Bike is going to be doing a group ride with a few people. The girls in front of us are looking back like we're freaking sexy as hell. I know I am. I got some ripped pants. This is Reston's Tech Campus. This is where It's Just a Six went to school, where Jake went to school, where Nick went to school, where Rob went to school, where pretty much everyone I know went to school. And I went to a different community college like an hour away from here. I don't fit in. I never went to this school, but I ride here and I've been in classrooms and I've been in all the halls almost, it feels like. Been to the food court. I've gotten the student discount, you know what I'm saying? It'd be fucking, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so Lord baby Jesus. Today we were riding around with this fire truck and I said, I don't know, and she said, I don't think you want to. I'm in a truck and you be fucked and we be f***ing it up. I'm be pulsing my air. Oh damn, someone got her mirror. Oh boy, my speedometer's gone. See, I'm sitting here in the passenger seat of the BMW. I see a car that's about to turn out, and then as soon as we pass it, the car behind that smashed it into the road, and if we would have been like 2 feet back, it would have spun us out. Like, it was a dead ass wreck right in our path. Gang, gang, gang. Yeah, yeah. You ready? We got the squad. One by one they come. Not bad for a dirt bike, but definitely not a 1200. That was one of the dopest sounding races I've ever heard. That was actually pretty cool. So we're all just cruising right now. We just saw that new road. I figured I'd show them all the new road, because why not, you know? And maybe a new stunt spot might have just been found as well. This is dope. Okay, I'll f with this. I'm sorry for making y'all bring y'all's bikes. I'm sorry for making y'all bring y'all's bikes. I was trying to turn around and then this place popped up. I didn't think all this sand would be here. I am sorry. Hell yeah. What? That's my clutch. I know, it's been fucking burning. Did it crack? Nope. Hey, this is the phone I put underwater for a live stream. Damn, this bike sounds so freaking nasty. I don't even know how to explain this. Just want to make sure everyone's making it. I want to see Cole do this. He's gonna hit it with some speed. This is sketchy as fuck. Holy shit. Holy shit, I was drifting. Oh my gosh. Gang shit, baby. Oh, there's a Model 3. Dope.
it's really smooth though, and like I said, the throttle is.
This is a Bandit 1200 and I just got on it. It's pretty freaking solid. Golly. Man, this is a very interesting feeling. I like it. This thing's got power, dude. For a 1200, it's got power, but I really don't like this hand little throttle dealio deal, dude. It's really not that comfy. Everything that you do is very solid, and the bike's heavy. Tires are knobby, so it's really weird seeing the kind of way it rides. But I mean, man, once you get on it with this thing, it feels great. And the sun is bright, holy crap, and hot. At least I'm wearing gear. I'd rather be wearing gear and be hot than not be wearing gear. I got it up pretty fast, but I don't know how fast I was going because I didn't have a speedometer. I will be honest with you, this thing really sketches me out.
No, that's only for your hand. This doesn't keep it anywhere. That only moves. You get your hand tired, do like this.
Feel free to get into gear. Oh, there we go. I'm so scared. Like I don't want to loop it. It's so small. I know it is. That's why I'm scared, because I'm gonna try really hard to get it up. Okay, there we go for 2 attempts with the clutch dump. Oh, what did I scrape? Oh my goodness. I keep switching my hand back to the clutch, so I just let it die. Like, I didn't mean to, but it just happened. Yeah, he can get it to the balance point. I'm too scared. All right, we're back riding. I am doing a motovlog right now because there is basically a lot of stuff going on. I'm waiting on parts, and I really can't do much on any of my stuff until parts come in, i.e. battery box, and just most of the turbo parts for the car and parts to fix the truck. So I really just don't have the content quite ready yet. I'm not full on, I'm not working with big old YouTube budgets. I'm working with a pretty solid one, and I'm thankful for it. I thank y'all for it, but I'm not working with the best giant, like, build a race car every single day kind of budget, and that's what I've been doing a lot recently of. Joseph's behind me. He's probably gonna get to the front of the pack. I'm gonna chill at the back for a little bit. Drum race, drum race, blah, 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 blah. As soon as I can see the other side, I'm rolling. I want to strap this because I don't trust it. Me and you. Me and you. It's great. Hey, I got a little sideways on one of those roads back there.
You were keeping up too on that. That thing handles really fucking well for what it is.
Oh yeah, it handles great. I could use a new front shock. My front shock's blown out.
Oh, mine is too.
No way. That's doable. There's an abandoned house over there. Fuck! I was trying for a rolling burnout, but I missed. I'm scared to commit. I'm just gonna do it. Nope. Ka-chow!
That was legit.
Did you get that on video? Cole, were you recording when I did that?
Huh?
Were you recording when I did that?
No.
Damn. Oh yes, baby. That's how you know you're doing rolling burnouts. Right there. That's so cool, man. My burnout mark was this far. Yo. Oh, he saved the turtle. Me, sun is so fucking bright. I can't see shit. Like I literally could not see anything. I couldn't see the turn coming. I couldn't see anything. That sun was way too bright. That's too almost undersized because I didn't even know the turn was coming. Shit, my mirror.
You accidentally flew off the road?
No, I flew off the road 2 times. I could not see shit. Like I literally just saw sunlight and I couldn't see anything. Going up that turn, y'all had to slow down for. Dude, I could not see shit. All right, back on Cole's bike. Finally got this arm thingy thing done out of the way. Damn! Pretty freaking solid if a race is ever solid.
And we ain't really worried about a thing. Whatever's in my cup got me feeling like a king. I came in with my gang, now I'm standing on your stove. Drank so much lager that I'm coughing up gold. But we ain't really worried about a thing. Whatever's in my cup got me feeling like a king. I came in with my gang.